Make such a welcome change from all the everyday vegetables. Try it with meat, with fish, with chicken. Delicious golden corn.
From the valley of the jolly,
Ho, ho, ho.
green giant.
This is ABC from London. We have to stop before the ABC logo to bring you a very sad news announcement from Buckingham Palace. Apparently, Queen has died. She was 96 years old. And so then on, the King will remain at Buckingham Palace this evening. Due to this sad event, King Charles is addressing the nation shortly to share his thoughts and condolences, resulting him as a throne as King Charles III. Flags across the country have waved for the death of the Queen. The Queen's funeral and the proclamation of His Majesty's coronation will be appearing in the future date. So everyone likes to thanks to the ABC network for this time of sorrow. And the logo will now be permanently removed for the Queen that she died. So we replaced this into a green giant niblets and Mexicorn logo tomorrow. So, normal programming has been suspended.